On October 14, 2024, in Baltimore, Maryland, police were called to a home on the 2200 block of Aiken Street for a report of an unresponsive child. When officers arrived, they found 5-year-old Zona Byrd in a second-floor bedroom, unresponsive and cold to the touch. She was pronounced dead later that day. Prosecutors say what investigators uncovered next would reveal a pattern of severe neglect inside the home. Before we get into the confirmed timeline and what happened in court, a quick note. If you want verified, court-focused crime documentaries like this, subscribe to the Courtroom, and please like and share. Authorities say the investigation centered on one key question. How did a 5-year-old reach a point where she could die from malnutrition inside her own home? According to the Baltimore City State's Attorney's Office, the medical examiner confirmed Zona weighed only 17.5 pounds at the time of her autopsy, and there was no evidence of physical trauma that would explain her death. The cause, prosecutors said, was malnutrition. As detectives worked through the home, prosecutors say they found signs consistent with prolonged starvation. The kitchen cupboards were described as completely bare of food. Investigators reported frozen meat in the freezer and a single salad in the refrigerator. But the most damning detail, according to authorities, was that additional food existed in the home, yet it was kept out of the children's reach. Prosecutors say non-perishable food items were located inside the parents' locked bedroom and locked closet. Detectives also documented alarming information about the other children in the household. Authorities say 3 siblings were inside the home when police responded. All were taken to a hospital for evaluation. One of them, a 6-year-old boy, was described by prosecutors as emaciated and barely able to stand or walk. Officials reported he weighed about 35 pounds and remained hospitalized for roughly 12 days, receiving treatment until October 26, 2024. Prosecutors say he later recovered. Then came another detail. Investigators say helped establish the severity of the deprivation. Detectives reported learning that one of the children had been seen going through garbage at school in an attempt to find food. Authorities have not publicly confirmed every circumstance around that report, but prosecutors included it as part of the investigative record describing the children's access to food. According to prosecutors and court reporting, investigators questioned the parents, Bernice Byrd and Gerald Byrd, about basic care. Authorities say neither parent could account for when Zona was last fed, and neither took responsibility for feeding her during questioning.